Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Honest Amish Beard Oil is probably one of the most sought-after products in the men's grooming market, and for good reason. This premium blend is crafted with a unique combination of all-natural ingredients designed to nourish, condition, and style your beard, leaving it softer, healthier, and more manageable than ever before. If you're looking to elevate your beard game and achieve that perfectly groomed look, then this is the product you've been waiting for. Number 5. Viking Revolution Beard Oil, Sandalwood. Tired of a dry, unruly beard? Discover the natural solution for softer, stronger facial hair. Our premium blend is designed to nourish and condition. Crafted with argan and jojoba oils, this formula deeply moisturizes without leaving a greasy residue. Experience the difference natural ingredients can make. Say goodbye to beard rough and hello to a smooth, manageable beard. It works to strengthen each strand from root to tip. Enjoy the sophisticated and masculine scent of sandalwood. It's the perfect finishing touch for your daily grooming routine. Give your beard the conditioning it deserves. This oil is your secret weapon for a healthy, attractive beard. Elevate your grooming game with Viking Revolution. We provide high-quality products for the modern man. What we like. This product is crafted with natural ingredients like argan and jojoba oil. It aims to soften, strengthen, and moisturize your beard. If you are looking for a daily beard oil that provides essential conditioning and a pleasant scent, this is a great choice. What people say. The oil is made with all natural ingredients, which is great for sensitive skin. It helps to soften and condition the beard, making it more manageable and less itchy. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering like some other beard oils. Number 4. Viking Revolution Ultimate Beard Kit. Introducing the Ultimate Beard Grooming Kit from Viking Revolution. It has everything you need to keep your beard looking its best. This comprehensive set includes a brush, comb, balm, oil, and scissors. Achieve a perfectly groomed beard with ease. Detangle, trim, moisturize, and style your beard with our complete grooming solution. It's designed for a flawless finish every time. We've combined our best beard care products into one fantastic value set. Get premium quality at an unbeatable price. Looking for a gift? This portable and stylish kit is ideal for any man with a beard or who wants to grow one. We stand by our products. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This offers a comprehensive set of grooming tools and products. It includes a brush, comb, oil, balm, and scissors for a full beard care routine. If you want a convenient and all-inclusive solution for beard maintenance or are looking for a perfect gift for a bearded friend, this kit is ideal. What people say. The oil has a pleasant, subtle scent that isn't overpowering. It leaves the beard feeling soft and manageable, reducing itchiness. The ingredients are all natural and organic, which is a big plus for sensitive skin. Number 3. Striking Viking Beard Oil and Balm Kit. Introducing the Striking Viking Beard Grooming Kit. It's designed to give you the ultimate beard care experience. Our kit features an all-natural beard oil and a leave-in balm conditioner. They are enriched with nourishing argan and jojoba oils. This blend works to soothe your skin and condition your beard. It helps to prevent itchiness and promote healthy growth. Enjoy the classic, masculine scent of sandalwood. It leaves your beard smelling as good as it looks. With both oil and balm, you have everything you need for a perfectly groomed beard. Achieve a soft, manageable, and healthy-looking beard every day. What we like. This option combines both beard oil and balm for a complete styling and conditioning experience. It's formulated with all natural ingredients like argan and jojoba oil. If you prefer a 2-in-1 product for both softening and styling your beard with a natural scent, this is a strong contender. What people say. I have been using this product for a few weeks now and I can honestly say that it has made a significant difference in the health and appearance of my beard. The oil is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It has a pleasant, subtle scent that is not overpowering. Number 2. Striking Viking Beard Growth Oil. Are you ready to achieve the beard you've always desired? Our premium oil is formulated to help you reach your goals. This powerful serum is infused with biotin, a key ingredient known for its hair-strengthening properties. It works to nourish your beard from root to tip. Enjoy the subtle and pleasant aroma of vanilla as you apply it. It's a luxurious experience for your daily grooming routine. Designed specifically for men, this oil helps promote thicker and fuller beard growth. See and feel the difference it makes. Just a few drops are all you need. Apply it daily to support healthy beard development and maintain a well-groomed appearance. Choose the best for your beard. Our commitment to quality ingredients ensures you get a product that truly works. What we like. This oil is specifically formulated to promote beard growth, featuring biotin for hair health. It also offers a pleasant vanilla fragrance. If your primary goal is to achieve a fuller, thicker beard and you appreciate a sweet scent, this growth-focused oil is worth considering. What people say. This oil is made with a blend of natural ingredients that condition and moisturize the beard, leaving it soft and manageable. It has a pleasant, subtle scent that is not overpowering and doesn't clash with cologne. The oil absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it ideal for daily use. Number 1. Everyman Jack Beard Softening Butter. Tired of dry, unruly beards? Introducing our beard softening butter, designed to tame your facial hair. This butter deeply hydrates and effortlessly styles your beard. It makes managing your facial hair simpler than ever. Say goodbye to uncomfortable itchiness. Our formula is specifically made to soothe and relieve irritation. Crafted with nourishing shea butter and coconut oil, it provides essential moisture. Your beard will feel softer and healthier. Enjoy a subtle, masculine scent of sandalwood. It leaves your beard smelling fresh without being overpowering. Get more of what you love with this convenient 2-pack. You'll have plenty to keep your beard in top condition. What we like. This product is designed to tackle dry, unruly beards and soothe itchiness. It's made with hydrating ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil. If you suffer from beard itch or have a beard that tends to be dry and unmanageable, this softening butter will provide much-needed relief and hydration. What people say. This oil is a blend of natural ingredients that conditions and softens the beard. It helps to reduce itchiness and dryness, leaving the beard feeling smooth and manageable. The oil has a pleasant, subtle scent that is not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.